You guys always find such interesting scents around here, and I can never see what it is that you smell. Maybe a raccoon peed? Where are the goats? Babies! Where's the goats? Let's go see. Oh, they must be in the back. Baby goats! Babies! Here they are. Hi, babies! Oh gosh, Hercules is a jumper. Always jumping on me. Babies! There's the goats. So the goats are very, very familiar with our Great Pyrenees Hercules, the white dog, because he's been with them since he's a puppy, and he's trained to guard them. But Luigi, our golden retriever, was not raised with the goats. He was here before we got the goats, so he's good with them, but they're not as comfortable with him as they are with Hercules. But they're okay. They're all friends. But Hercules is not the biggest fan of Luigi going near the goats because those are his goats. So sometimes you'll see he gets in between them. He's just watching and making sure everyone's happy. As soon as a goat gets nervous, he'll get right in there. Oh, I hear Mike the rooster. See, he kind of, it's not his favorite thing when Luigi goes to play with the goats, but it's getting better. We're working on it. We're working on it. The nice thing is, though, everybody gets along. They're really sweet to each other. Nobody's been having any kind of fights or anything like that. You just have to know the different breeds and how to work with them. The problem we do have with the golden retriever, Luigi, is, though, the chickens. He wants to catch the chickens and retrieve them and bring them back to us. So we don't let him around the chickens unless it's really supervised. Oh, there's another problem we have. Hercules is 8.5 months old, and Luigi is 6 years old. Or no, he's 5. He's 5. Good dogs. Good boys. Good goats. Everybody's good. Where's your ball? This is what he does. He goes between your legs. I think he wants to be a horse. You're a good boy. You're getting so good with the goats and all of the animals. Oh gosh. Thanks everyone for watching. Say hi. Thank you everyone. We'll see you soon.